I'm Kristen Sandler, and I am the outreach coordinator for STEPS in Southington.
And I am Megan Albanese. I am the Youth Prevention Coordinator for the Town of Southington and STEPS Coalition. So our principal here at DePaulo Middle School was coming across Jake's website and found him and brought him to us. We asked around with our prevention friends, and it sounds like he made such a splash at CADCA that we couldn't wait to get him. And so that's how we originally found out.
We had a great kickoff to the day with our youth council students having a leadership academy with Jake, and it was great to have that one-on-one experience with him and to learn some of the skills that you guys offer in your curriculum and to have the kids get a chance to practice facilitating and leading a group, because that's a lot of what they do.
And then we moved into the presentation piece. So we were excited to have him present to our 9th grade class up at our high school, and then travel down the road to the middle school and do a presentation for our 7th grade and 8th graders. I love that the kids are saying, it's way better than we thought it was going to be. That's our favorite part. I've never seen kids bum rush a presenter to get his autograph on a shoe before, but that happened here today. So such a hit, and it's just fun and upbeat. And real.
Yes, and relatable. And I think as the prevention field has moved away from the just say no, don't do drugs message, so has this presentation, and it's focused on building the skills needed to exist in this world and to avoid those peer pressures.
Without a doubt, we would love to bring you back anytime. We would have Jake here every day if we could. And I think our kids were itching to get him back already, so anytime.
100%.